Hand washing procedure. Hand washing is the first crucial step to good hygiene that is often overlooked or done incorrectly. In this lesson, we will be taking a close look at the importance of hand washing and the steps to follow for perfectly clean hands. Let's get started with the importance of hand washing. Think of all the different pots, pans, surfaces, plates, clothes, and handles that you touch every day. More than likely, all those surfaces are covered with bacteria or invisible germs that stick to your hands and transfer onto everything else that you touch. Your cleaning role in the kitchen is very important, and it is your job to stop the cycle of cross-contamination, or germs hopping from one place onto another. The first step to stop this cycle of contamination is to wash your hands often and thoroughly. Now that you know why hand washing is important, let's find out the steps to follow for perfectly clean hands. Step 1. Wet your hands, wrists, and forearms with clean running water above 45 degrees Celsius and apply soap. Step 2. Rub your hands together to make a lather. Step 3. Continue rubbing your hands, wrists, and forearms for at least 20 seconds. Pay special attention to the creases in your wrist, palms, and fingers, and in between the fingers. Step 4. Pay special attention to your nails and cuticles. If your establishment provides a nail brush, use it, but do not hurt your fingers, because this can cause even worse contamination by causing an open wound. Make sure your nails are short, because germs love to hide in between your fingertips and nails. Step 5. Rinse your hands well under warm, running water, being careful not to touch the taps. It is even better if the taps at the hand washing station are operated by a sensor. Step 6. Dry your hands very well using a clean, disposable paper towel and throw the towel away. Use a pedal-operated bin so that you don't touch the lid, which is sure to be full of germs. And step 7. Sanitize your hands with antibacterial, food-safe hand sanitizer and allow to air dry. This will further disinfect your hands. Remember to throw the paper towel away before you sanitize. If you throw it away after you've sanitized, your hands will be recontaminated with germs. When it comes to the hand washing station, it is important that you only use it for washing hands, and not for washing or rinsing anything else. Doing this can contaminate the station with germs and bacteria, meaning your hands won't be clean after washing. So when is it important to wash your hands? And how many times in one day should you wash your hands? You should always wash your hands between different tasks and as often as possible, particularly after visiting the toilet, because your hands are exposed to many more bacteria in the bathroom. Before and after putting on or changing a dressing, because wounds can be infected and the infection can cause contamination. After dealing with a sick person, as some serious illnesses are spread through touch. After sneezing or coughing. One sneeze can contain up to 100,000 germs, which are then transferred onto your hands. After handling waste or used tissues. These are items which are often contaminated with high numbers of bacteria. As a rule, you can never be too safe. When in doubt, rather give your hands a good wash before continuing your tasks. Well done on finishing this lesson on the hand washing procedure.